Hey guys, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with a project share today. And this is for Craft Supplies for You, my first DT project for 2018. So I'm excited to share this with you. You may wonder what this is. Well, it's a bag. This is the back of it. I actually made a Gypsy Boho style bag. And I'm really pleased with how it came out. I used some really cool products from Craft Supplies for You. So let me share with you what I have done. As you can see, there's lots of gorgeous dangles here on the bottom. And I used this beautiful lace and fringe trim here. And then this beautiful flower trim from KS4U. And then this one under here is a new one from KS4U, which you can see right there. This beautiful sort of macrame style type of lace. I love it. I just love that trim. And these are all available in the Craft Supplies for You store. And I also want to remind you too that today is the 8th, so there's still 2 more days left for the 30% off sale. It ends on January 10th, so you have 2 days still to get 30% off your entire order. So definitely check that out. How I made this bag was I used some beautiful velvet fabric from fabric.com, and then of course the KS4U laces and trims just made it perfect and beautiful. The handle here I made out of muslin, and then I took a lace of Julie's from her store and I folded it over the muslin, and then I did like a zigzag stitch down a couple of times on the, and it really made a nice sturdy handle. Like, this handle is not going anywhere. It's really super sturdy. I'm really pleased with how that came out as well. So let me flip it over and show you the front, because I'm super happy with it. I hope you like it too. It's very gypsy, very boho. I love it. So it's kind of got this saddlebag kind of impression here on the front, and I used this beautiful, gorgeous burnout velvet that I got from fabric.com. It's so lush. I just love it. And it has all these beautiful, gorgeous gypsy colors in it. So that's what I used for this part. And I created some of my little flowers here that I did a tutorial on and stacked them up. And, oh no, I didn't do a tutorial on these. These are just the burned edge ones, and you just stack up the petals and put some bling in the middle. So that's what I did there. And then this beautiful pearl beaded piece here all along the front, that's from KS4U. I added a bow with this beautiful yarn that I got the other day that I did a haul video on, and I made a bow, and then I tied some of my gypsy beads that I created to the end of some of the strings, so they hang down like that. And then when you flip it up, let me just show you this part. I put this beautiful dangle trim all around the edge, so that kind of hangs down. And then I edged the inside with this beautiful little trim here from KS4U. And then I just added another little yarn bow here in the multicolored yarn. I made a base out of muslin, and then I did that first, and then I sewed the velvet fabrics on top of the muslin. And the reason I did that was because velvet is super hard to sew because it shifts on your machine, and that just sort of stabilized it for me, and it was much easier to sew. And I used my serger for this because, again, it was easier to do. So the inside is fully lined, and all of the edges are serged, so this is not going to come apart. And I even put my little Angel Dream Crafts logo on the inside there. And on the bottom here, I've got more of the beautiful lush dangle trims from Craft Supplies for You. You can see this first one here. It's just so beautiful. I just love it. And And when you pull that one up, there's that other one again. I use that. And then you can see here, there's that trim. So there's lots of dangles at the bottom. And can we talk about how beautiful this velvet is here? Look at how amazing that is. And of course I kept the laces in the creams and whites because the velvet, you know, is so colorful that I just didn't want to add like a ton of color with the laces. So, and then here at the top, just to finish off the edge, I edged it with this really cute little trim from KS4U. So that worked perfectly there. And on the sides, I used some burgundy sari ribbon that I had, and then I tied some beads that I had in my stash. But any beads would work on here. This was an old bracelet that I took apart ages ago, and I've had these like black donut looking beads, so they worked perfectly on here. I just tied them in knots and tied them on randomly, so you get that kind of cool clicky sound. And I did that on the other side as well. And I also, yes, I also want to say I added this gathered trim here from KS4U underneath this beautiful pearl collar piece, just to give it a nice sort of edging all the way along the saddle bag part. And then you can see on the back here I've edged it with these beautiful flowers as well. And then this beautiful velvet here as well on the back. So soft. I just love how it came out. I'm super happy with it. So let me know what you think. This will be in my store very shortly if you are interested. The link to my store is in the description box down below. But remember that you have got 2 days left to go for the 30% off sale for KS4U, and there's still lots of amazing goodies in Julie's store. So please go over and check out her store and get yourself some of these gorgeous laces, and you can make a project like this. It's fairly simple, really. But let me know what you think, guys, and all the links are in the description box. Take care, everybody, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.